Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for subscribing. Thought I would show you, we're still living off grid, so we have to move our generator down to top off the big water tanks, so we have water everywhere. Anyhow, one of the best things I did was putting these hooks on. I got 4 of them, and I wanted to show you a simple way of hooking up your generator by just wheeling it in to the middle here. I take the loop from down below, I put it through, and I unhook this. That's it. I push it in, get it tight, then I can lift it up and I'm set to go. Now I want to unload it, because all I have to do is push it back in without taking any chains off. Watch this. I'll push it back in, get this chain loose, and I just unhook it here, put my chain back on, and I'm set to go. I hope that was some help. If it is, quit laughing at my outfit and push subscribe. All right, out for now. GM Conway. Have a blessed day.